Lanco, and today you are looking at a Spring tool 24-inch dip spin machine with oven. I will walk you down the machine here to kind of show you the general rule of thumb here. Here you start off with the load hopper, which is a 4,000 pound capacity. It does also have the pneumatic stop on the top to adjust according to your bins. There's the pneumatic controls for that. Once the bin dumps into this is a vibrating load hopper, so it does load the parts over onto the incline conveyor. Over here you do have the adjustable belt speed for the incline conveyor as it goes up and feeds into the machine. Up into the top there is an actual load scale, so once your specific weight that you have determined, the conveyor will shut off. It automatically dumps the load down into the basket. Once the basket is moved over in place, here's the actual dip spin machine itself. It is hydraulically driven, runs very smooth. It will include one basket and one paint bucket. We'll open the door here so you can see the it's a little bit tough to see. Currently the basket has been moved to the unload position. It will come back automatically into the machine to start the process. They currently do not have a paint bucket in here. It does include one paint bucket and one basket. We will come back once the machine cycles and moves the basket back into the machine. This Spring tool machine is a 1997 model. We will walk down as the machine cycles the basket out of the machine. It will automatically dump down onto the vibrating table. The vibrating table will then feed the machine and dump the parts down onto the belt. Belt is in average condition. Once there's weight on it, the bow does come out. It is a Lanco oven, gas fired. Here are the controls for the 24-inch Spring tool machine. This machine was updated to touch controls approximately 4 years ago by Spring tool machine. We are going to run a cycle. That was the parts that were going to be loaded down into the barrel. Here's the basket, being cycled into the machine. This is when the barrel will come up around the basket. The basket is then set up to spin. It is also programmable, so it can stop, spin backwards, spin forwards, whatever you may want. That would be the basket going down into the 3/4 position with the basket spinning to throw the excess paint, sealer, whatever you may have, wax on the machine. Overall condition of this machine is very good. It does need a little bit of a cleanup, but as far as the functionality and the running of the machine, it is very nice. Paint bucket drops back down to the bottom. Basket will spin itself into the unload position. Here comes the carrier that comes over, grabs the basket, brings the basket over, automatically dumps down onto the vibrating table, which then goes to the oven. Here's the entrance to the oven. itself isn't too bad. It does not have the side cleats on the belt. Obviously it's fully functional and they were using it. We will walk down the side of the machine. Here's the control panel for the oven. Everything is 480 volt and this is gas fired. As we get down to the end of the machine here, the parts come out of the end of the belt, drop into the small chute, and then go on to this vertical cleated rubber belt conveyor. Conveyor brings the parts up and dumps them back into the bin on the opposite side of the machine. The overall length of this machine is 75 feet long from the tip of the conveyor to the opposite end of the dip spin machine. The length of the oven itself is 50 feet long. The width of the dip spin machine and the oven is 7 feet. The width from the outside of the dip spin machine to the outside of this load hopper, if it was set up in the same configuration, is 25 feet. There is the vibrating table, as you can see. That shuttles the parts that are dumped out of the basket onto the oven. Very solid, nice functioning machine. If you have any questions regarding this Spring Tool 24-inch dip spin machine, you can contact Lanco Corporation at 616-887-8300, or you can view us on the web at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you. Have a great day.